Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of oil filters, the unsung heroes that keep your engine running smoothly. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY car owner, choosing the right oil filter is crucial. So, let's explore the top 6 oil filters you should consider buying in 2025, all available on Amazon. First up, the FRAM Ultra Synthetic XG7317. Designed for synthetic oil changes lasting up to 20,000 miles, this filter offers premium engine protection. Its sure grip technology ensures easy installation and removal, making it a favorite among car owners. Next, we have the Motorcraft FL 500S. Known for its durability and reliability, this filter is engineered to meet OEM specifications, ensuring optimal performance for your vehicle. Third on our list is the AC Delco PF63. As an OEM part for many GM vehicles, it provides excellent filtration and helps keep your engine clean and running efficiently. Purolator's Bosch PBL14610 is designed for maximum engine protection. With its advanced filtration technology, it traps more contaminants, extending the life of your engine. Fifth, the Bosch 3313 Premium Oil Filter. Featuring Filtec filtration technology, it offers superior dirt holding capacity and is compatible with a wide range of vehicles. Last but not least, the K&N HP 1008, ideal for performance vehicles. This filter boasts a high-flow design and a wrench-off nut for easy removal, making it a top choice for enthusiasts. There you have it, the top 6 oil filters to buy in 2025. Remember, the right oil filter ensures your engine runs smoothly and lasts longer. Check the links in the description to find the perfect match for your vehicle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive tips.